It took quite some twists and turns as the matter was progressing, with the latest now that the substantive hearing and all preliminary or procedural applications are held tomorrow morning. The High Court bench comprising judges Allan David, Lawrence Kanguia, Joseph Yagi, Jacinta Mari and Hitelai Polume Kiele have ruled. The threshold issue was that the Attorney General Pila Niningi and the Speaker Joe Pomat were aggrieved, saying if all matters, including the substantive reference as ruled by Justice Derek Hudson on July 19 ahead tomorrow, it will be unfair and prejudiced to them. They are not happy and want other procedural applications were had before the substantive hearing. The Attorney General filed a motion to change the dates and hear the application for leave by the opposition to amend the reference first. But the opposition has objected to the motion, saying the Attorney General did not comply with practice and procedure to file that notice of motion and they cannot invoke the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. The High Court agreed with the opposition and said the motion by the Attorney General was incompetent and dismissed it. The court considered that two main issues emerged from the motion. The first is that the issues should be dismissed for being incompetent and whether earlier orders were varied. The unanimous judgment was that the reasons advanced by the Attorney General and the Speaker challenging the directions and orders of Justice Hudson as a single judge do not compel the 5 judges to disturb his orders made on July 19. The bench therefore dismissed the motion as having no merits. All parties return tomorrow for the progress of the substantive reference, and there are applications to challenge the competency of the reference, an application to dismiss the reference, and an application asking for setting out of agreed and disputed facts be considered. The opposition is excited and happy. They want an expedited process, hoping a decision can be delivered before Parliament resumes in September. Elias Nanau, NBC National News, Port Moresby.